Good morning, everyone. I welcome all of you in today's lesson. In today's lesson, we learn about N-Deklination, weak masculine noun. What all are the weak masculine noun and how we use N at the end. Let's see. N-Deklination, weak masculine nouns. There are certain masculine nouns, not all, certain, few, which take N or En with itself when it is not in nominative case. Means at the end of that noun we add N or En when it is used not in nominative case. When it is used in accusative, dative or genitive case. Let's see. The boy is intelligent. So the younger is intelligent. I ask the boy. So here the boy is in accusative. Ich frage den Jungen. So we add that N. Why we add that N? Because the Junge is weak masculine noun. And in nominative case, we do not add N. Let's see example with the dative one. I help the boy. Ich helfe. Helfe is the dative. Then we change theirs to them and add N. And declination apply in nominative, not in nominative, accusative, dative and genitive. Das Heft des Jungen liegt auf dem Tisch. The notebook of the boy lies on the table. So N is N declination. Rules. What the rule says? Only for a weak masculine noun, zum Beispiel der Junge. As you already know, only for weak masculine nouns. Always in singular case. And then how we differentiate between, because when we add Jungen, that is the same case with the singular and plural. So only apply with accusative, dative, genitive. Article helps to differentiate between N-Deklination and plural. Or with the article like der Junge, die Jungen. Then Jungen, die Jungen. So Jungen is the same, it should be capital J. Jungen is the same, but only with the article we can differentiate between singular and plural. What all are the weak masculine nouns? Mit Endung E, the noun which are ending with E, the Kolleg, Junge, Kunde, Experte, Name, Leulafe. Viele Beziehungen für Personen, Berufe und Tier. Many relationship for the person, profession and animal. Der Mensch, der Herr, der Nachbar, person, profession and animal. And some international word which end with these, like this one. Let's see example in a sentence. Der Arzt untersucht den Patient. So here patient is a weak, so we add N and is accusative case. Ich muss den Kunden, Kunde, person, N, weak masculine. Ich habe mit dem Lieferanten, weak masculine noun. Dative. Ich habe ihren Namen, weak masculine noun. Ich möchte Herren Mauler, weak masculine noun. Wir haben den Leuen, weak masculine noun. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write us below. Have a nice day.